In Speed Reading Simplified for Beginners, you'll discover powerful tools to transform your reading skills. Start with the 8-minute core speed reading exercise designed to double your reading speed. You'll also access a free online course to support you every step of the way. Learn to read efficiently on tablets, e-readers or phones with 7 simple steps. Take the new 20-question self-assessment to understand your reading habits. Explore the benefits of reading faster and tackle 7 bad reading habits and 7 common misconceptions. Unlock the power of AI with 57 prompts to improve your reading habits. Plus, try the new 5-minute speed reading exercise, quick and effective. For a daily routine, follow the 14-day exercise plan designed to build better reading skills step by step. With over 18,000 readers helped from ages 7 to 94. This book is for everyone who wants to read faster, focus better, and retain more. Download your free copy on Amazon today and start your journey to faster, smarter reading.